Connecting your Dell Inspiron 15 to a docking station significantly expands your laptop's functionality through a simple, streamlined process. Modern Dell Inspiron 15 models from 2023 to 2025 feature advanced connectivity options. Let's identify the key ports on your laptop. Different Inspiron 15 series support different docking technologies. The 3000 series uses USB-C and USB-A docks, while the 5000 and 7000 series support advanced Thunderbolt 4 docking. Understanding cable types is crucial. Thunderbolt technology has evolved significantly, with Thunderbolt 4 offering the best performance and USB-C compatibility. Now let's examine a typical docking station. This Dell DisplayLink dock provides multiple ports for expanding your laptop's connectivity. The connection process follows 4 simple steps. First, connect your docking station to power. Then attach your peripherals like monitors and keyboards to the dock. Next, connect the dock to your Dell Inspiron 15 using the appropriate USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Finally, enjoy your streamlined workspace with a single cable providing power, data, and video. The choice between Thunderbolt 4 and USB-C depends on your specific Inspiron model and performance needs. Both provide excellent docking capabilities with the convenience of a single connection. After connecting your Dell Inspiron 15 to the docking station, proper driver installation is essential for optimal performance. Dell Command Update automatically scans your system for the latest BIOS, driver, and firmware updates. Simply click the check button to begin the process. Keeping firmware updated is crucial to avoid compatibility issues between your laptop and docking station. Both your laptop and docking station have separate firmware that should be kept current. This ensures optimal compatibility and prevents connection issues. When encountering issues, there are several key troubleshooting steps to resolve common problems. For display issues, update your graphics drivers. For power problems, ensure the dock's wattage matches your laptop's requirements. Connection failures often resolve with regular port cleaning. Following best practices ensures reliable performance and longevity of your docking setup. Always use Dell certified or Thunderbolt certified docking stations. Ensure compliance with USB-C Power Delivery 3.0 specifications. Maintain clean connection ports and keep all drivers current for optimal performance.